In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the IF statement in Notion. A must-know formula tip that can really enhance your efficiency and organization in this versatile tool. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your connected workspace in Notion. Notion is a powerful platform for managing wikis, documents, and projects, offering an all-in-one solution to keep everything in one place. Once you've arrived at your workspace, the next step is to log in. If you're not already signed in, simply click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to gain access to your personalized Notion environment. Once logged in, navigate to your Notion home. This is your central hub, the starting point for accessing all your pages and databases. From here, locate and click on Database. The database feature is one of Notion's strongest tools, allowing for endless customization to suit your organizational needs. Now, to set the stage for our IF statement tutorial, let's add two numbers in the database. You could think of these as columns that store numerical values, perhaps representing sales figures, points in a project, or any measures you need to track. By adding these numbers, you are creating the data that your IF formula will evaluate. With your numbers ready, it's time to incorporate the power of formulas. So click on the Formula option within your database. Formulas in Notion allow you to carry out calculations, automate decisions, and generate dynamic insights right in your tables. Next, to refine and use the formula appropriately, you'll want to click on Edit Property. This is where the magic happens. You'll be setting up how the formula interacts with your data. Editing a property gives you the flexibility to tailor each column's function and calculations to exactly what you need. Now we arrive at the core of today's lesson, using the IF statement. Click on If. The IF function in Notion works similarly to other applications, taking three arguments: a condition, a value if true, and a value if false. It evaluates whether a condition is true or false, and then returns results according to the specified logic. This is incredibly useful for conditional formatting, creating alerts, and simplifying data view by automatically processing your data into outputs that matter for decision-making. And this is how you can utilize the IF statement in Notion to drive better organization and efficiency. Remember, experimenting with different conditions and outputs can tailor this powerful tool to your unique needs. By mastering this, you're well on your way to making Notion work its hardest for you. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy organizing with Notion!